Hi guys, and today I am with
Kimberly.
Yay! Get the confetti. Okay, this is math time. What's 1 times 1?
1.
It is. It is.
Wait.
Check your notebook. Okay. Okay, let's go.
1. Where are we going?
Hi, Kimberly. I'm the principal. You could grab one of your teacher's apple.
Okay.
Eddie, are you serious? Leave! Get out of here! You got an apple?
Yes.
Oh wow, how did you put that? What do you have there? Like a unicorn.
Oh, I have my meat.
Oh yeah, it's a meep. What does he have ice cream on top?
No, that's
And why is
not-
your face and his face together?
that,
Your
no.
face and his?
It's a,
It looks like a weird.
oh my god, I'm leaving class.
Come back.
No, never.
I left. The next day.
Wait,
Two
we
strange
need to go to the house, like pretend we're sleeping.
two strangers met each other. Are you serious? Eddie, please.
What?
Oh my god, I'm not going to Call of Duty Minecraft no more, Eddie. Because you are super annoying. You want to be into a video, don't you?
No.
Oh, okay.
We need to start over. It's not here.
They'll just think it's Roblox.
Are we a pizza now?
What?
I haven't played Big City in a long time.
No one's playing
We
it.
need to go in the neighborhood. There's a lot of people playing.
Yeah, it's in the first popular. But I think it's kind of boring. To be honest. I'm at the house.
Go to my house, okay?
Coming soon. Sorry. Give me my pizza. No, I don't want no pizza. I want pizza. Yeah, this pizza's bigger. Okay.
Wait, let me go to my house.
I'm bringing in pizza. Be careful, I'm gonna bring in some pizza. Wait, where's my pizza? The next thing they should add is a gym.